How to log out of Finary application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using Finary and want to log out of your account, firstly go ahead and open up the Finary app on your device. And once you're inside the main homepage after logging in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Logout button. Tap on Logout and if prompted, you'll need to confirm the logout, but it may not prompt you to confirm. You have successfully logged out of your account and you are in the welcome screen. Once you're inside the welcome screen, you can go ahead and sign back into your account anytime you want by entering your credentials. So that is how you can easily and simply log out of your Finary application, whether you are using a smartphone or a tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.